Sir, ये perception है.
So one of your mandates is theaterization, but the Air Force has traditionally been opposed to theater commands, including Air Chief Dhanova and several previous chiefs. How will you go about building consensus to go in for theaterizations?
You see, I think there are methods of doing theaterization. I think we all are copying Western methods and what others have done. We can have our own systems. We will work out our mechanisms through understanding with each other, and I think it can work.
So जो तीन नई कमांड साइबर स्पेशल फोर्स और उस पर काम शुरू हुआ है, आपको लगता है कि सीडीएस बनने के बाद तेजी से उस पर काम होगा, कैसे उस काम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे आप, क्योंकि लंबे समय से डिमांड थी और सरकार ने उसको एक जिम्मेदारी दी है?
आपको मैं कहना चाहूंगा उस पर काम चल रहा है, उसको अगर और तेजी से काम करना है तो उस पर हम सर्टनली उस पर हम ध्यान देंगे।
आपको लगता है सर कि सेना और को जो लगातार ब्यूरोक्रेटिक हर्डल मिल रहा था, आपके अपॉइंटमेंट के बाद वो ब्यूरोक्रेटिक हर्डल खत्म होगी और सेना की तमाम जरूरतें तेजी से पूरी हो पाएगी?
देखिए, जो भी काम होता है वो तालमेल से होता है, अगर वो तालमेल सही रहा तो कार्रवाई पक्का होते रहेगी।
General Rawat, how does it feel to be India's first CDS? Many congratulations from all of us. What does it feel like? What does this moment feel like?
My head is feeling lighter because I've had to take off that, the so-called angled Gorkha hat, which I've been wearing for 41 years. I have come back to the peak because this peak cap that I am wearing is to say that we are now neutral. The CDS will remain neutral. He will be neutral to all the three services within his own service, and therefore my head is certainly feeling lighter.
Sir, you have been talking about half-front challenge all the time. As new CDS, as the first CDS, sir, how are we gonna meet the challenge on the northern front, especially when we understand that China has been reportedly making roads across disputed territory across our borders, sir?
Through integrated and joint effort, that is what I said, 1 + 1 + 1 should not become 3, they should become 5 or 7.
Sir, to add on to Rahul's question when he asked about theaterization, including the SFC and SIN, we now have 19 commands. Will we maintain the same number of commands, or you have something in mind?
That is something which we have to study. We will work with the three services, and I am sure we will come out with a mechanism which suits the Indian system. We don't have to copy any system from the other countries. I think we have to work on what will suit us best.
जनरल रावत, आपकी नियुक्ति पर कुछ राजनीतिक विरोध के स्वर भी उठे हैं, कांग्रेस ने इसे गलत कदम बताया है। इसमें सर इसी में ऐड करते हैं कि बहुत सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये कहते हैं कि सेना को पॉलिटिक्स से दूर रहना चाहिए, तो आपका क्या व्यू है इस पर?
हम दूर रहते हैं, हम बहुत दूर रहते हैं पॉलिटिक्स से।
आपके राजनीतिक झुकाव की बात की गई है विरोध करते हुए, आपके राजनीतिक झुकाव की बात की गई है?
ऐसा है, हम लोग जो हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट इन पावर होती है, उनके आदेशानुसार कार्रवाई करते हैं।
Thank you. Sir, just a clarification, sir. So you said 1 + 1 + 1 should not become 3, it should be 5 or 7.
What I am saying is, the synergized effort should not be the sum of the whole. It should be much more than the sum of the whole. That is what it is. In fact, like you say, 1 + 1 should not be 2, it should be 11. So I am saying 1 + 1 + 1 should not be 3. When you work in synergy, you can make it more than